Hello everybody, we are back with, I believe, part 3 of our cog fight video, where we are going to be ranking up to level 2 sound. How's everyone doing today? I'm doing well. Okay, there we go. Great. Oh, that's right, I gotta check out and see how many people are on the server today. Let's see. Only 2. Just me and my friend. Wonder where they went. I'm sure they're somewhere around here. That was a good one. Yep, I'm gonna be burnt a bit. Burnt to a crisp. I'm getting used to this actually. It's pretty good. Try this one out. There we go. Cool. Well, it was a hot fight, that's for sure. It was fire, you might say. Okay, I'll stop with the lame puns. Made a pun with my sister last night about my job in housekeeping, or wanting to get a job in housekeeping. I said I was made for this. I like humor like that. Probably why I like Toontown. The humor, the puns, everything. It's clever. Okay. I am aspiring to become a housekeeper. Figure I clean up on my own, why not do it and make a living? Pays $18 an hour too, which I think is pretty good. Nothing better than getting paid to do what you love. At least I think. So yeah, after we do this, we're going to plant our first gag tree. Our first level 2 sound gag tree. They all go. Oh man. This one seems to be an easy fight. Well, I'm sure I am. Oh boy. I hate bounce checks in real life. They're not a fun thing to go through. At least I think so. Yeah, this is going to be a bit too much of a fight, so we're going to have to do this. Or we could just run. Yeah, we're running. If we get sad from this, it's going to be my fault. Yeah, I'm running away. Okay. Run. That's too much of a fight for me. I don't know why Punchline Palace has such high-level cogs. They shouldn't. I shouldn't be a fool and fight them. Okay, that worked. This is more difficult than I thought. Oh, darn it. My rabbit ears are falling a bit. Had him for a long time. I'm thinking I should probably add like a headset or something, but okay, there we go. Let's go back and fight him again. Okay, let's fight the bottom feeder. Why not? Should be an easy enough fight. Pretty quick and clean. Thank goodness we didn't have to fight the name dropper. That would have been a tough fight. Okay. There we go. That was easy enough. Only 3 more experience to go. This is good. Yep. Only 1 more experience. This is it. The final throttle, the final battle. No. I really don't care. We're going to be able to beat him anyway. Oh boy, is that a telemarketer? You had to stop by. There we go. I'm not running from this fight. Not at all. Boy, I'm so nervous. There we go. Pray that no more cogs get me, everyone. Thank you, Jesus. Oh, we got a new gag. Awesome. Okay, I'm going to head to the... Well, actually, I'm going to head to the estate now. Home. Then we're going to plant a new gag tree, everybody. Okay, let's see. Ah, there's a good spot. Hey, Juliet. Awesome. Just planted our new gag tree. Let's water it. And then we are done for the day. Hope you all have a good day, and we'll be playing some more Toontown later on tonight around maybe 9 or 10. Bye.